Hello, if you want to earn thousands of dollars monthly by using AI and DeepSeek, you are in the right place. So you might ask me how, and is it difficult? Let me tell you, it's simple. We will write articles using artificial intelligence and profit from them without the need for skill or effort. The process requires only 3 steps, and the first step is to research the topic. For this, you can use Google to search through Google Trends. You will need to explore the site and search thoroughly, but in the end you will find great articles as the site provides trending topics in every country in the world moment by moment. Or you can use DeepSeek and ask it to provide you with ideas for writing successful articles. DeepSeek will provide you with many great topics to choose from, or you can ask it about topics that are part of the niche you are exploiting. For example, you can ask it for topics that only talk about sports. You can also use well-known online newspapers or platforms, for example, the New York Times and the Washington Post, for instance. There are many fields and online newspapers that you can browse and use to get ideas. We will move on to step number 2. It is writing the article, and for this step, we will use the website SEOwriting.ai, which is a site that utilizes artificial intelligence to write professional articles compatible with all search engines. You can create an article with the click of a button, and not only that, the site contains new features such as creating enhanced images to get a high-quality and clear article, as well as realistic images that match the text. There are also great features like customization, where you can add brand names and additional instructions to ensure that your image perfectly matches your message. You can also use the Humanization tool if you feel that the generated content seems too robotic. All of this is done through artificial intelligence. This feature was designed to rewrite your content and make it more authentic, solving the problem you were facing once and for all. Additionally, it makes the content more engaging and helps you improve search engine optimization. This feature will also allow you to bypass Google AI detection by ranking the top of the search page. The tool also includes updated reports and analyses, and the platform now offers enhanced tools that will help you track how your content tool is performing. You can adjust your strategy and continue improving. So if you haven't started using SEOwriting.ai, which is free, now is the right time. So click the link in the description now and create an account on SEOwriting.ai. Then follow the explanation with me, and don't forget to use the code at checkout to get a 25% discount. This is the homepage of the site. You can simply click here to get started and create my account, which is completely free, by the way. Then you will fill in your personal information and click on register. After logging in, you will find this page with several options, the first of which is click blog post. They also have the feature to create multiple articles at once, which can reach up to 100 articles. It's something like magic. I will now explain to you how to use it. You will find this page, and here you will find the keyword box. So how do we obtain them? Simply, after searching for an idea, you will find topics published on other blogs. Therefore, we will copy the title of the article we want to create a similar article to and place it in the keyword box. I will now provide you with 3 titles here as an example. After finishing copying the titles, you can close the article pages as I no longer need them now, and we will move on to the next step, which is creating a title for the article. To do this, we will click on Create to provide you with AI-generated titles that will help you improve search engine optimization. We will also create specific keywords for our article, which will help your blog achieve a good ranking on Google search pages. After doing this, we will go down to complete the remaining steps, and here we will find several options that will enable you to create very specific content in the way you want. In the options, you will find article size, where you will choose the size you want. There is also tone of voice here. I will choose informational, but you can choose what suits you. You will also find AI model, choose what suits you here as well. In the new update, you can now use DeepSeek to write your own articles, and there are 2 types, DeepSeek R1 and DeepSeek V3, both of which are truly amazing, and you will definitely be impressed by the results you will achieve. Here you will select target country. I will set it to us, but you can choose what suits you. We also have humanized text, which is a feature that allows you to choose the level of human language you want. You can explore all the options here and try what benefits you. We will scroll down to see the other options. Here you can add something if you want, and here is the media section where you can choose the number of images and videos you want in the article. I will choose these options because they are the best for me. Then we will scroll down further, and here you will find social media sites where you can share the article if you wish. finally, here you find the option to publish on WordPress, and you can add your blog to do this. When finished, you will go back up and click on Run, and once you click, it will ask you to confirm that 3 documents will be created and the cost will be 3 generations. You will also find other details. Check all the settings before confirming to ensure the results you want. After clicking on Continue, the site will start generating articles for you easily. After completing the creation of the articles, you can review them, and I am sure that the result will meet your expectations. To make publishing easy on your site, you can link your WordPress site with SEOwriting.ai to automate publishing. You will enter here and click on the linking option, and you will find the steps in detail. You will do this only once, and after that, your site will be connected. Also, if you want to create a single article, there is the Click Blog Post option, through which you can create an article with the click of a button. You will find the same settings that were in the bulk article generation option, and you just need to repeat what we did earlier. There is also an important option called the Humanizer tool, which will be very useful. When used, it will allow you some basic settings such as readability, as well as language, and remove AI words. Choose what suits you, then enter the text you want to rephrase, and click on Humanize and enjoy the magic as it happens. In the free plan, you only have 5 generations. To increase the number of generations and thus the ability to create more articles, you need to upgrade your plan. There are 3 plans, each with its own features. Read the description of each plan and choose what suits you, but I recommend the professional plan if you want to earn more. After selecting the plan, we will go to the payment page, and here you will choose the method that suits you. There is a credit card or PayPal. Choose what suits you and click on subscribe, and congratulations to you. The third step is the profits, and here we will use Google AdSense and place ads on our site to generate profits. By applying what I explained earlier, you can earn very large profits. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave your own comment.